Here we go. You said then I did this. I'll share my one window today. I will not share complete a screen like Pranavi has done. So am I audible to you, all of you, quickly, like properly?
Yes, sir.
So let us complete, continue, and pass. We already have seen break, right? I hope all of you are clear with the break, right?
Yes,
And did
sir.
you practice this? All the questions it is given. Like couple of things are might be extra for you here, but you can look into that yourself now. It will be easier for you. Okay. Let us go to continue. So actually, eventually that day itself, I covered continue. Just I'll repeat. Okay. This was good. This one is good to understand. This is helpful to understand. So here you can see like in a while or for loop, you write some expression as we write. This expression might be anything as we write in the if else or any expression you can write, and that will be evaluated to true or false. If it is true, then while loop will run. If it is false, then while loop will not run. Okay. So assume that there is no break here. So this statement will run, then another statement will run. Like that, it will keep on going. If it comes on continue, continue means it will skip only these part. These two statement it will continue and control will go to the next iteration. Means suppose that this loop is has to run for 5 iteration or 10 iteration. Okay. Then if on fifth iteration continue is appearing, then it will skip the rest of these two statements. It will go to the next iteration, sixth iteration. But in break, it will just stop. It will no more iteration will happen. Okay, why both of you are going on? Pranavi and you, Randeep, on.
Instantly.
So see here. Let us see this example quickly. Okay. In this example, what is happening? In break, what is happening? Like see, if this element is greater than 30, then it is break. Break means is 120 and 300, 330 will not be printed, right?
Yes,
But
sir.
same question I will copy paste and put continue there and see the output, how it will work. It's very easy. If you try to understand, it's very easy. And I'll uncomment this line. So in break, what I told you, if break comes, your control directly will go to from break, control will come here. It means no more elements will be printed. Okay. No, none of them like this iteration will be completely stopped. No iteration, further iteration will be continued after this break statement. But in continue, what will happen? Only rest of that statements will not run. Like, let me see, let me put some, okay, some more statement here. So this is a statement one. Assume that this is a statement two. Just let this placeholder. So in this case, what will happen? We'll see this one in the VS Code also, how this is working. It's very simple, very, very simple. I don't think you can see my VS Code now. So what is happening here? Let us understand. First element is 10 here, and it will check if 10 is greater than 30, false. So it will come here, it will print here placeholder statement, current number, and from here it will come here again. Next element is 30. So next element will be 30 on this. It will come here and it will check is 30 greater than 30. A statement expression is false. False means it will come here. Again, it will print placement placeholder statement and then a statement 2 current number is 30. And from here, again it will come here. And this time element will be what? 120, right? So this time 120 will come here and it will check. Is 120 greater than 30? Continue. Continue means it will come here. Okay. Then again it will take 330 and then it will check is 330 more than 30? Yes. Continue. Again it will come here. No more elements. Then it will print outside of for loop. Let us see this example once again. Let me put one more print here. Now you tell me if you understand this process, what should be the output of this code? Any one of you can speak.
So it's going to print inside for loop first,
Yeah.
and then if element is greater than 30, continue. So if
Mm-hmm.
element is not greater than 30, it won't continue, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So then it's going to go to print statement.
Mm-hmm.
First time it won't print the placeholder thing.
It will
Placeholder.
see whatever you see there, everything will be there. Everything will be there. Only this one will print 4 times. These two are printed 2 times. You can see here, placeholder once and twice. Then current number once and twice, right? But this inside for loop will print 4 times. Why? Because when it will continue, it will come here. And then again it will print. Again it will check. Let's see. See. Inside for loop, then it has printed placeholder, then current number, then again inside for loop, placeholder and current number. Then again it will go up. It will take 120. Here it will print, then it will check. It is false. Sorry, it is true. Then again continue. Again it will come here. Then it is printing. Let us see the same example using VS Code. Sharing. Let me share my VS Code.
If you give it to me, I can do it too. If you
You want to
have
do this? No, I have. If you want to do, then I can give you.
fun, I can do it.
You want to do this? Then I'll give you.
Should I screen share or just do it for myself?
No, no, no. You have to screen share. Otherwise, I will do this here.
I'll screen share. So, yes, sir.
Yeah. See here. We have in the left side, we have gotten the numbers list. All the
Yeah.
numbers are there in that list. Can you give a space there on the left pane, like so that we can see all the numbers in the variable? Drag that. It, like there should be some drag on the border. Yeah, there. In the border. Yes, that one. Now it is appearing. Yes, like that. Yes, good enough. Fine.
Okay.
Now you can check the first. Yeah, go to the next. See. So element is 30. Sorry, 10. So it will print inside for loop now. Go next. Now this condition will be true or false. Janya, you need to say.
False.
Yeah. Okay. Press next. See.
So,
Yeah.
but sir, here I have a question.
Yeah.
If it's false, it's not supposed to continue, right?
Yeah.
Because
So it's not going inside, right? It's not until unless it will go inside the if condition, it will not continue, right? Continue means what? Continue means you don't have to go next. It is something like you're you need to go from suppose that Surrey to Burnby, right? And I'm telling you on the mid of the way, continue. Then you have to again come back to Surrey and again you have to start from the Surrey to Burnby. It's like this. So it needs to start from the line number 5 and it should go up to 10. This is an ideal situation, right? If you don't have continue, but it
yeah,
is when you are having continue, it will not go to a state number of a statement 10, but instead it will go back and it will start again from 4. But in break, if you put the break, your control directly will go from line number 7 to 12. So it's not continuing the rest of the element. But in continue, it will complete for the rest of element, right?
yeah,
Just for that element, it will not run line number 9 and 10.
okay.
That's all. So you just do this, you complete this iteration, you'll see. Janya, did you get this? What is happening?
So it's
Yes,
going
sir.
to print
Yes,
this statement,
Yeah,
and then it will print this one too.
yeah.
both of them.
Next one. See this?
The now element is 30.
Yeah, correct.
And then I'm going to go down. This is true. That's printing.
Oh, it's false. It will be false
Oh,
this time, right? 30 is greater than 30?
no,
No.
no, false.
So then it will go there, print.
Print.
Yeah. Again.
This time it's true.
Yeah, let's try 120. Yes, see. It will print inside for loop now. Try that. Yeah, go
So now,
next.
sir, instead of 9 and 10, it'll print 12. Is it what it is?
Sir, I don't really see the purpose in here. I'm not understanding.
You do this, you can realize.
Okay.
See here.
It printed inside for loop for all three. Oh, I think you have to put inside for loop below it.
No, that's correct.
Correct?
That's yeah. Go next. Go to the next where it will go. Let's see. It will come on continue. See. From this 7, where the control will go? 9, line or 9 or 4 or 12. We have three options, right?
Yeah, it's
One
going to go.
option is it should go on 4. Second option is it should go on 9. Third option is it should go on 12. In break case, it will go on line number 12, right?
Okay.
But in continue case, it will go on 4. See?
Why is it going to 4?
Because this is continue.
Okay.
So it means for that iteration, rest of the statements will not run. There will be some cases where for some condition you don't want to print rest of the thing or you don't want to execute couple of things. Then you
Okay.
have to start from the beginning again. Like for next iteration, you need to skip that iteration. That is called skipping the iteration. But in break, it will skip all loop altogether.
Okay.
Break means all iterations are gone away, but in continue only one iteration, the current iteration. Okay, iteration means what? For one element, all the body of for loop should run. One
Yeah.
iteration means the line number 5 to 10 should
That,
run for one element of the list, right?
yeah, that's one
It
iteration.
yeah, that is one iteration. Means all a statement 5 to 10 should run once for one element of the list.
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
But if you don't want to run all the statements, you want to run couple of things due to some situation, then we can use some cases we can use break. Break means After that element, no other element are processed. Break means if you, let us do this, change the continue to break. If you put break there, it means it will process only your two element, three elements, right? 10, 30. When it comes to 120, it doesn't process 330. So let us
Yes.
put one more element in the number in the list, first list. Let us put 500, or even one more, 1000. So in
Okay.
this, suppose that I have break. Break means if I'll ask you how many elements are going to be processed in this code, don't run it. Just
Yeah.
understand the question and give me the answer.
Okay.
In
Yeah.
this code, how many elements are going to be processed?
Two.
Three.
Three.
For two
Yeah.
it
Yeah.
will be true. Third it will be condition will, sorry. For
Yeah.
first two element condition will be false. Third element condition will be true, and then it will break. It means it will not process 330, 500 and 1000. It means on element variable we will never have 330, 500 and 1000. But I'll slightly change the question here.
But I have one question in here.
Yeah.
If I do this, it's going to process four elements right now, right?
No. Your break means on 130 itself it will break. 120 itself it will break. So still it will process. See, processing is one thing, printing is another thing. If I'll ask you how many elements it is going to print, then answer will be 2.
Yeah. Yeah.
10
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
30 it will print. But if I'll say process,
Of
process
course.
means it will take element from the list, it will check the condition. If condition is true, then it will not go for the next element of the list. So that's why it is I mean to say processing. Okay.
Okay.
If you can put 5 and check,
Yeah. Okay.
put 5 after 120, comma 5. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
And now you run line by line. Or eventually you can run directly also if you understand the concept. See, first time 10 came, then 30 came, then it condition will be true 120, see, outside of the log. So up to, see, on element, last element is observe in the left side. On element variable, we have third element 120. So three elements are processed, right? But
Yeah.
see in the continue. In continue, all elements will be processed, but for the element here in this case, wait, hold, go up. Don't run, just I'll tell you to do something and think of the answer.
Okay.
Change the line number 7 with break with continue. Continue, yeah. Now you have to think and tell me what should be my output. And you can write on your paper and then you tell me. Take
Okay.
your time. Don't be in a
Take
hurry.
your.
If you can, yeah, like you have to properly write the output in your on paper. Then you can tell me. Then you can, if you can understand this output, then you are good. You are good enough. Then we are done with the continue.
Okay. We'll see. Let's see. So I'll just name
Jania,
this.
you are not doing. Just you are thinking. You are thinking by nose.
Uh, no,
Sir,
sir, I was talking with my father. I was a little loud. Did you ask a question just now?
Yeah, I asked everybody some questions.
Oh,
I asked what question, what program you see on the screen. You need to write its output yourself by tracing manually on pen and paper.
okay.
Yeah. General comment. Don't worry. Like just spend some time on assignment and you'll be good enough to do that.
Okay. I think I have some sort of.
So
Oh, I actually got it right.
So shall we take one more simple code and then we said you should trace yourself manually and then We can
Yes, sir.
confirm.
We'll do it manually, mechanically, all the ways.
Yeah, so let me
Yes,
pause
sir.
the recording and I'll. Okay. So this was the code I gave you to give me the output, right? So at first, let us do this manually, like by hand. So at A is 0 here, this condition is false. So now A will become 1, right?
Yeah.
A equal to A plus 1 means 0 plus 1 is A will become 1. This condition will be false, right? So this condition will be false. You will come to control will come here on the line number 6. It will print 1. Did you see this, Janya? You
I
missed that.
forgot. I missed one.
Yeah. Then from here it will again come to while loop.
Wait,
It
wait,
will
wait, wait. So A is going to be 1 cos A plus 1 and A is 0. And then it's
A.
going to,
Oh, sorry.
so it's going to check A mod 2 is equal to 0 every time, right?
Yeah. Yeah, you're right.
And then that won't be true for the first time. So it's going to print A.
Yeah.
Now it's also then it's going back, and then this time A is equal to 1. So A
1 is
is
less
equal,
than 5. Yes.
yeah, it's less, and it's also equal. It's
Now
A
it
mod
is 2.
equal to 0.
So this is true. So it will
Yeah,
continue. So it will not print A, it will come here.
yeah.
Right? Now it will check 2 is less than equal to 5. Yes. Then now it will become 3. This time 3 mod 2 equal to 1.
3 will
Like 3
print.
mod 2 equal to 1, which is not correct. So it will come here, it will print 3.
Yeah.
Then again it will come 3 is less than 5. Yes. 3 plus 1 is 4. This is true. Continue. It will come here again. Then
Okay.
4 plus 1 is 5. This is false. It will print 5. So output will be 1, 3, and 5. That
So
as simple as it is. Yes.
this is what I got, but then I missed print and loop. Print and
But
loop.
you didn't share that. You should have been shared that.
Next time I'm going to share it, even if I think I'm wrong.
Yes. You should.
Okay.
I don't know. I haven't.
Okay, so now you can cover pass.
Yeah. Pass is very simple. That nothing to do there. See the output. Output is matching, right? Now, if I'll add something slightly, I'll change it for you. Else break. Tell me what is the output of this?
Let's break. 1 second.
Pen and paper. Use pen and paper and come back on this.
Sir, 1 second, I'll be back.
No problem.
Is this?
So if continue is if it if this is false, then it'll go to break, isn't it? If A mod 2 is false.
You just give me the output.
Okay.
My screen is shared, right? So I cannot do this anything.
Yes, sir.
But Pranav, your answer was correct. I have seen your output.
Yeah.
Like, yeah. I'll change slightly again. Janya, have you done this?
No, sir.
Why? Why you are not able to do?
I'm getting a little confused.
Yeah, tell me. Where?
So if A mod 2 is going false,
Mm-hmm.
then it'll break. It'll go
Yeah,
to a break.
yeah.
But then will it print A after break?
No, break
No.
means it will send out of the loop. That's all.
Okay. So it'll just stop.
Yeah, so it will sprint end of loop. That's all.
So then it'll just say end of loop, right? That's it.
Yeah, that's all. Now I'll remove this. Now you tell me what would be the output. I don't know. Randeep, did you come back?
So won't it be an error?
Why? Tell me why.
Uh,
Whatever whatever comes in my mind, just speak out. Don't worry. Don't worry. Keep it with you.
okay. Because like break has got like a no color and like the
Yeah,
thing.
you're right. Actually,
Is
from
it
this
still
editor
tracking?
color, we can see that break is dim color, right? Due to
Yes.
that, it will not run.
Sir,
Good
I
idea.
got. I know what the output is.
You are running the output. So
Me?
it will create a problem. Yeah, this code, now I have changed the code. You need to give the output.
What did you change? Oh, okay.
I changed. Here I changed.
Continue.
I removed the else.
Okay. Sir, what is continue times break?
There's
How on earth do we know this? It's
See,
going to continue and then it's going to break. So nothing's going to
see
happen.
what will happen sometime when you write some code and some part of the code will never run due to this mistake. Because continue, whenever you come to continue, it will come here. It will never come to this line. And that's why this maybe interpreter in beforehand, it can tell you this is untouchable or unreachable code. Let us see this. Okay. Oh shit, where it is.
Sir, so what's going to happen is it's going to go to continue and then it's going to go back to a while
It
loop.
should give some error. Like,
Can you run it? Can you run with the debugger? We'll see what's going to happen.
let's see now. We'll see. If you get the output, it means. So actually, even though it's not going to run any time, but it
Just
is not giving error. It's not giving error eventually.
run and debug.
Okay. But that code is unreachable. It will never execute. Break will never execute. Think of that.
So what if break is not inside if?
Then it doesn't
Uh,
belong to.
then it doesn't. Then if you put like this, then this line will never execute, and just it will be one. It will be false break. It will just print this one end of loop. So
Yeah,
actually, this editor is intelligent, and it's telling that break. It will never come to this. Let me see. Show you what we are asking. So here you can see. I'll take F10. A will become 1. See, you can see A1 is 1.
yeah, but why is the shade so crappy? Even in VS Code. Like
So here,
continue
see
break
1,
has a lighter shade,
1,
but it feels like.
see 2. So it is continue. Then 3, print. Then 4, continue. 5, print. 6,
6.
continue.
Continue. No,
Condition
it's
false.
gonna break at 6 because
No,
Wait, can you do that again? Can you do that again?
it will
no,
never go on break. It will never go on break because
when
due to
it's 6, it's not gonna
Sir, do
enter the
pass.
while loop.
Pass. Do pass.
okay, let's see that 10 left and I'm pressing 1. So now it is 2. Continue. So think logically now. If continue will run, it will not allow to go to the next line, right?
Yes, sir.
It will whenever it will condition will be 2, continue will run. Break will never run.
Yes, sir.
Randeep, are you observing now?
Yes, sir.
See, so it will be 5. 6. Condition false. Okay, okay. So we got this. Now let me put something slightly different. Pass. I'll put something here. Pass. Pass is nothing actually. Just we put break pass. What will happen? If this condition is true, continue. If it is condition is false, it will come here. It will not do anything. Pass is nothing. Let us see the with code this F10.
We should have known this earlier. Could have been better.
1. See, condition is false. Pass will do. It will come on pass, but it will not do anything. Now it is printing. This time it will be true. See, A is true. Then it is continue.
So sir, pass is another
A
keyword
statement.
like none,
Yeah,
which
yes.
has
Pass is a
no other,
keyword. Pass is a, you can say empty statement. It will not do anything.
just like almost like none. It won't do
Yeah,
anything.
none is putting something none on the variable. Likewise, pass is a statement, empty a statement. You're right. Pass is a keyword.
Okay.
It is just like none, you can say.
Is that it?
But none has a lot of uses compared to pass. Pass has very minimal use.
Okay.
Yeah, I used none multiple times in our assignments also.
Yeah, and you'll
Whenever
come to
I
know.
try to use none, I'm getting like none type error. I don't know why it's happening.
Because you put none, and if you check condition or you print that, sometime it might be giving.
But
Or
I'm
maybe
even
you can
trying
up
to
or
assign a string to it. It's not taking. I don't know
I guess
why.
none, and if you might be doing none plus some operation with none
Mhm.
variable, like you put none on some variable and do some operation, it will give you that non-type error.
Okay. Okay, yes, sir. I'll try that again.
I guess we are good on the pass also.
Okay.
Let quickly let's see what we had in the. You can complete this notebook yourself after this. See, pass is just a placeholder for functionality to be added later. That's all. This
So are you
one
going?
line is good enough. So you write something, you can write something later on you want to do something. So this is when you write big code, then it is required. Otherwise, for you, I don't think it is required. This sometimes we
So
create empty classes. Yeah, go ahead.
are you going to share this notebook?
It is already
It's
shared in
already
the
shared.
your
What is it called?
Python break continue. You can check there on Google
When did you share it?
Drive. I already said when I explained you break.
Oh, okay. I'll take a look,
I
sir.
guess we are good to go today, and I will upload some 2-3 assignment, 2-3 code on the continue, and then you can do that. And then tomorrow we'll start nested loop. Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
Be
sir.
ready with that. Whatever you have to do, you have to do. I cannot postpone that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And with
Okay.
that, I'm saying bye, all of you. See you.
Uh, okay. Bye,
Yeah.
So
sir.
one, leave.
Bye.
Sorry, what do you say?
Second.